A cool Charlie McCoy harmonica lick. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Joe from HarmonicaJoe.com, where I provide high quality, in-depth musical instruction for harmonica players. Today I'd like to show you a Charlie McCoy pentatonic scale lick. It's a lot of fun to play. It uses the higher end of the harmonica, so that's always fun to do. And it's easy, so let's get started on this fun lick. You know, I first presented this lick years ago on an old YouTube channel I had titled Rezo Joe. I came across it the other day, and I thought it was such a great little lick that I wanted to show it to you today. So to demonstrate this lick for you today, I'm just using a regular old Hohner Special 20 in the key of C. So that's what the lick sounds like. We're simply going down a G major pentatonic scale. Pentatonic means it has 5 notes. So the scale notes are going to be G, A, B, D, E. And that's it. That's all you got to know. Except there's an extra G on the very top. I'll put the tablature on my website, HarmonicaJoe.com, so that way you'll have a reference. Okay, so here we go for the lick, Charlie McCoy lick. Now this is a neat lick. You can play it fast, you can play it slow. It sounds good on a country song. It sounds good on a bluegrass song if you want to play it fast. And even a blues song, because over the one chord you can use a major pentatonic scale and it'll sound great. This is what the lick sounds like. So what I'm playing is, I'm going to start all the way up on hole number 9. And it's going to be a hole number 9 blow. Then I'm going to slide over to hole number 8 blow. Then I'm going to stay on hole number 8 and draw. We're going to go back to the 8 blow. Then we're going to draw on hole 8. Slide over to hole 7 draw. And then all the way over to hole 6 draw after that. And finish up with a hole 6 blow. So again, it sounds like this. So it's you start on hole 9 blow, then we're going to go over to hole 8 blow, 8 draw, 8 blow, 8 draw again, then slide over to hole 7 draw, keep moving over to hole 6 draw, and then a 6 blow. And that's the whole lick. Alright, so have some fun with that. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so that way you'll be notified when I come out with new videos. And until the next time, keep on harping.